Manatee County Animal Services is discounting adoption fees for the week of February 12th to February 17th in the spirit of spreading the love for Valentine's Day. During that week, adoption fees for dogs and cats from MCAs will be $10. It's a steep discount from the usual $80 adoption fee for dogs and $40 for cats. All adoptions include spay or neuter, microchip, and rabies certificate. There will be a fee of $15 for Manatee County residents to license their pet. According to the Braden Herald, the Will You Be Mine $10 adoption fee special will be held at the 25th Street West location in Palmetto or the Cats Only Shelter at 1002 Manatee Avenue West in downtown Bradenton.